Milwaukee battery M12. Cast aluminum suction cup that has 112 pounds of holding force to the windshield glass. Flexible metal gooseneck, 36 inches long. Stainless steel swivel. 12-inch long light stick. 6061 aluminum CNC light stick retainer. 9 millimeters thick. Doing a heater core. It allows flexibility like that's unheard of. Turn it on. Switch right here. 1300 lumens of white light. Color rendering index greater than 90. There's where I gotta work. Up in there. If you're a professional mechanic, you'd have to have rocks in your head to not want this light. I know it's not an impulse purchase. This is a $200 light, $199.99. It's available on Goose-Grip.com. This is one of 4 lights. But this is one of the most popular lights we sell because it literally allows you to work with 2 hands and be able to focus a light right next to what you need to see. You know what you're going to go through with the other lights that are available. If you can make it work, this light you can put exactly where you want it. No ambiguity. I can literally focus it right on where I got to put 8 screws in a little while. And I'll be able to work with both my hands while the light is out of my way and not in my way. Take the light, put it underneath, like that. Turn it sideways, turn it like this, turn it upside down. It doesn't matter. This is called Goose-Grip. We'll be demonstrating this on Motorhead Garage, November 24th at 8:30 in the morning. I'll be demonstrating 3 of our 4 lights. Take a look. It'll literally have the biggest change in your mechanic's life than any other tool you'll buy. Granted, you're not going to use this on every single job, but those jobs where you need to have a light and you're alone and you need to put a light somewhere and not have to worry about it moving, this is what you want. You want Goose-Grip mechanics work light. Doesn't come with a battery. I assume you already have a battery. I make it in 3 battery platforms: Milwaukee M12, DeWalt 12 volt, and Snap-on 14.4. The Snap-on one is about $15 more. Because of the higher voltage, it's a different light stick. Cost us more money to make it. And what's not to like here? I've been using this for 2 years, and this has saved my butt so many times, as I'm a professional mechanic, 45 years. But now I'm making and selling so many lights that pretty soon my mobile auto mechanic career is going to be over because I can't keep up with the sales of the lights and the building of the lights. Anyway, Goose-Grip.com, go take a look. They have a lifetime warranty on them. The details are on the site. My name is Kevin, and I'm out.